Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Last night we had a special date night here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin was over, third time this week. I prepared Giangi's one-pan creamy gnocchi, sun-dried tomatoes, and peas. Oh, yummy. Very, very yummy. Must try. Robin, please ask that this go on the repeat list. That's how good it is. 5 stars all the way across. All right, this week, Comfort Week concludes with my sloppy joes and my baked beans. Good times. Let's get to it. And I'm actually going to be using ground pork for the sloppy joes. So we got about half pound of ground pork, some oil, Heinz tomato ketchup. I'm going to dice up this little bit of red bell pepper. I'm going to be adding some mild chiles, not all of them, but just some of these. Some garlic, some of the red onion, Worcestershire, kosher salt, black pepper, ground mustard, cumin, smoked paprika, and morita, chipotle chili powder, and of course, bread. The baked bean recipe is really simple. This is the kind of something I kind of grew up on. Can of beans, pork and beans, molasses. I'm going to be using a stone ground mustard and brown sugar. As you can see, a simple menu for the end of the comfort food week. Tomorrow night, Robin is cooking. I know for a fact. She's doing poor man's lasagna or something like that. It's a dish we've had before, but yeah, Robin is cooking. So on this Saturday, enjoy the weather while we have it. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.